Catherine to shape the future of the monarchy. Yes, of course we're going to have King Charles before we have King William, but it will be William who has two homes. But you know, they talk to these two a warm. I don't actually need to say everyone else now standing for this. And this is going to be a view that lasts. She's a great cook. Never returning back to the house they've been living at for the last 18 years.
What must Michael Middleton be thinking? And this is the moment where we see Prince William and Prince Harry standing.
It seems very steady. Michael Middleton, incredibly calm. It's rather lovely the way William just can't actually stop blowing.
Wilt thou have this woman to my wedded wife, to live together according to God's law in the holy estate of matrimony? Wilt thou love her, comfort her, to my wedded wife, according to God's holy law?
According to God's holy law.
And thereto I give thee my troth.
And thereto I give thee my troth.
Ceremony for the son.
Very, very special engagement.
Forasmuch as William...
We're really just calling her Pippa. She's actually known as Pip to the family, but yes, she went in to witness the couple sign the register along with Prince Harry. These two...
Will be chariots of fire, but bring me my arrows